How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We have signs that the dollar majors are going to be looking to go back bullish. So like UJ, UCAD, and USWSY look to have signs of either failing to break a low or has broken a sell-side liquidity pool and is now looking to rally. We can see that here. We tapped back into that busy here, and it was a quick repricing to go back up. We're taking out previous daily highs. Currently, right now, this candle has 3 hours left to finish printing the rest of its data. We haven't broken Friday's high or low, so we're still inside our range, which is great because Monday we like to use as data so we can help speculate for what Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, those ideal trading days, are likely going to do. So let Monday play out. I always tell people in the chat to let it run and then come into Tuesday and reanalyze what Monday has done and where you're positioned around the weekly opening price. Let's take a look at the DXY. DXY is doing something very similar. We did disrespect that busy, that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We just completely filled it in, right? That inefficiency has now been filled. We even had a daily close below it. We do have signs that price may be respecting some type of other PDRA, maybe a bullish order block. Maybe there is a fail on breaking out previous daily lows, and we're looking to take out previous daily highs. More significantly, what I'm looking at is this swing high. And that's the most important thing. I want to see if after breaking these swing lows here, broke a swing low there, do we go back and take out a swing high instead of trying to reach or draw back down to this swing low? It's not a double bottom. It looks like one, but that's a swing low. 1, 2, 3. Do we get back down to that swing low? So if we get that break on that swing high, I'm going to be a little more confident in wanting to take a position trade on dollar and its longevity going high. I know the Feds are, in rumor to cut rates in the fall or sometime later in this year. Who knows how that's going to impact the market? Because sometimes there are times where it doesn't follow the fundamentals. You cut rates, yield should go lower. Investors should want to seek other higher yielding assets or currencies. There have been moments where that doesn't reflect in the price action immediately. So we're going to see. I don't know when they're going to cut rates, but when they cut rates, then we'll adjust then. I'm not trying to be very anticipatory on what's going to happen, right? We'll just sit here and wait on what's going to happen after the data drops. Let's take a look at UJ real quick. Some directly correlated assets showing signs of wanting to respect, right? We took out the sell side liquidity pool here. There's a swing high up here. If we get back up here, I want to see it get back up here too. All right. Let's take a look at UCAD. I know some people in the chat were asking about that. Yeah, same thing here. We recently broke a swing low. We went back and repriced and broke a swing high. So you can see the sequence here. Swing low broken, immediately reprices, takes out a swing high. It takes another one here too, the more recent one here. There's signs that we're probably going to go long for UCAD. So if this is a down close day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, look for longs. Try to get up to this buy side liquidity pool here this week. Maybe the news events this week are very fundamentally driven to get the market up higher. Let's take a look at something inversely correlated like GU. GU broke a high. Look at that, broke a high, but UCAD didn't really significantly break a low. So there's something going on here. Why did GU run all the way up here, but UCAD didn't drop drastically? There's signs that something is on the play or underway. We do have a smash candle here, this up close candle. If price goes down to that candle's low, then we can see a sell-off, possibly retracing back into inefficiencies. We're well high into the premium. This is the open of the month. Look at how high GU is from down here. It's really high. It's up here now. We probably might see a retracement. Not saying it can't continue a bullish trend later on in the future, but we would expect some type of pullback at this point. We're coming into the later stages of this month. AU, very different. Look how AU didn't get up as high as GU within a range. This swing high to this swing low, it didn't even get nowhere near that swing high, that range high that was sitting in. Price is still trading in between this range. There's a premium PDRA, this SIBI that we marked off, and we can see it respected it nicely. We had a smash candle sell, getting back down to this candle's low. We recently had this alert go off, telling us that sell side was rated below that swing low. We could be seeing signs of bearish momentum kicking into play for AU, which could simultaneously be occurring in GU, NU, Yen as well, maybe even some of the exotics. Just to recap, bring it back home. USWSY, if you get back up here, that swing high, after running sell side, it's a clear sign that they most likely caused a false break on us. We could take that stance. So they ran here, It's either going to print lower swing high and we sell off, or it takes out that low, we go back up, we print a short-term high, we run that short-term high, and then we continue to push to the upside. So that's my current speculation. If I had to get into trend, if that does occur in the next couple of days, whether that's tomorrow, whether that's Wednesday, Thursday, if that happens next couple of days, I'm going to wait for a down day opportunity and buy. Buy in down days, and a bullish trend will most likely be your ideal counter trend entryway into an uptrend. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.